Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to open a business bank account in Fiji. So let's get started. So here we will likely go to the google.com and here I will likely search for top business bank in Fiji. Okay, so here we can see, so the first bank is our ANZ Bank, then we have our West Bank, then Bank of Baroda, then we have BSP. So in this video I'm going to show you how to open a business bank account in your ANZ Bank. So here I will likely go at here. Okay, ANZ website. So here we can see, so here we have to just click on the business. Okay, so here will be business, then we have business finance, business account we have to click on. Okay, and here we can see, so the account like look like this. Okay, and if you want to open a business bank, then you have to click here, then you have online business banking. So from here you can directly log into the page. Okay, so here we can see the comparison of the business banking plans. Okay, so here we can see your daily limit, like it increases, and fee also like matters. Okay, so to open a business bank account in your ANZ, you will be requiring basic details like minimum age of 18, you should have a legal identity and having a valid ID proof and business certificate. So by this you can directly open. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.